rotting yoga platform that's been here for years, and we're going to build a new one. But the official task was to clear away the rotting platform. But in doing so, we also created a recycling center here for the farm where organic debris, yard waste, can be brought. So we have a bulky pile, which is going to be for branches and things that are going to take several years to decompose. But then we've also got a rough pile for plant matter and shells and pine needles. And then right here we've sifted a finer pile. And this pile here is rich organic compost that's ready to be used to plant something. So we've achieved the original goal, but we've also done some sustainable measures for future projects. Everybody here should be proud of what you did. This is a great job, and a crew of adult landscaping laborers don't do as well as you guys just did.
So the darker shade is the frame. And the frame are the thicker boards that we brought here.
Ah, okay. And what is this thing with the little tiny?
Yeah. So the idea is those big boards, the thicker boards, are going to go create a perimeter, create what they call joists. Sometimes you have right, left, front, and back so that you can tell everything. In our case, because it's a square thing, we only need one view from the side, and that's to show us that these boards are going to be laid vertically, and the other ones are going to be flat on top of them, and you can see how they're connected.
Okay, well, you do want to back on YouTube.
No, the other side's right.
Realize that. You need 2 screws. One goes in here, and one goes in here. You're going to do this one first. That way it's going to solidify this so that when you do this, it's not going to push it this way. So always going to do the outside first before you do the inside. Then it's going to drive it all the way down to here. So if it doesn't go down to here, you didn't go down far enough. So you want to put some pressure on it.
And push it down like this.
There you go.
Yep.
Okay. Sometimes you got to jiggle it to make sure it's on in the hole there, right?